What is up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Made it through another week. I can't just I honestly I don't know where these weeks and this time is going. I don't know if it's coronavirus stuff or just been keeping busy, but this time is just going absolutely nuts. Now, I did make the latency here on the YouTube ultra low. Someone was saying, oh, like that's it there's like a 30-40 second delay whenever you're recording, so I try to make it as less as possible. I do apologize. um we'll see if that works. If not, let me know. We'll go from there. All right. um Other than that, guys, I hope everyone had a good week, a good trading week. I kind of went back to old school cruise trading, just nailing and bailing, and feel really really good about it. So been really really excited about everything. um So, with that being said, I'm just trying to fix my thing. While we're here, real quick, before we get started and jump in, guys, make sure you leave me a like and subscribe. Turn on the bell button for notifications. We do this every Friday. We go live and we trade together. Um, See if we can rack up some fun bucks on a Friday to have good time over the weekend. So, just give me a moment here. All right. So, yeah, every Friday we go live and we trade live together. If you guys want to come, you come learn a couple new things. And then on Sundays, we do the Sunday Stockcast. We do like a watch list type thing, also some trader psychology, and get ready for the trading week. And then go over some tickers to be ready. Um, so, yeah. Other than that, though, I hope everyone had a good week. Oh, the last thing, guys. So right now, so I did. I was really excited. If you guys haven't noticed, at the new website, the new branded stuff is up almost everywhere. There's like one more thing I have to do, and it's just like the intro stuff, the Monopoly Man, the intro stuff for this stuff on YouTube, and that's being made. So there's nothing I can really do about that. I'm kind of at their mercy on how fast they go. So been trying to light a fire under them to get the new intro done, and then go from there. But the reason why I say all that is because I'm really excited about the rebrand and everything. So I made a sale on the memberships. So the annual membership is only annual membership is only $149 right now. So if you want to go join up, we'd be happy and honored to have you. After I change it, it's gonna go up a lot. So it's gonna go up a lot, and it'll stay like that. So it'll stay like that because I feel like I do bring a lot of value to the table, and people don't appreciate value unless they pay for it. Um, so there's that. But let's jump into some pre-market and some tickers. All right, guys. Let's see here. All right. So, what screen are you guys looking at? Right, this one. Okay, cool. So, kind of like in the middle of the week or like whatever this on the SPY, guys. And I'll make this a little bit bigger for right now. So we had this nice little drop, and it was a little unexpected, but it was really nice to get some pullback on, especially on the high beta names, where the high beta names that have been really extended, like Amazon is definitely one of them. But um, so it pulled a lot of them back, and that was really nice. And yesterday we had a nice little bounce day. Today we're kind of right in this middle area. We have this resistance here at 307, 308, a little more towards 308, and I have this trend line drawn, so I wanted to stay above there. Um, but yeah, I don't know if we'll have too much of a crazy day today. See if we could get some more pop and get above this 308, and then 310, and then 312 would be the next area. So um, sound good. So that's that on the SPY. If you guys are out there watching me, you're brand new to watching the stream, leave me a comment, leave a ticker to you guys want to go over. I appreciate you guys. For you guys in the room, we're on YouTube today. The link is in the YouTube channel if you guys want to come hang out. I think I got everyone. Andrew, good morning, brother. Um, does anyone have any exciting plans for the weekend, guys? It's gonna be hot as shit, bro. And the governor won't let like pools be open unless you have a private pool. It's like so. Anyways, so as far as tickers and stuff go, guys, there's not anything that I'm absolutely like drooling over. You guys know I like to play Tesla almost every day. We're kind of getting this distribution. Well, I mean, we are getting this distribution pattern up here towards 1,000. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you guys know every time that this gets over 1,000, I kind of wait for it to stall out, and then just I was shorting the hell out of it back to 1,000, selling calls or what have you, and going from there. And then I actually called this here pretty spot on when it dropped. I said I wanted to pop to 1,000 up to this red to green line, and I caught a good portion of it, but the way I traded it by selling calls was didn't let me bank really big on it. So whatever, I played it well. So and then this resistance line was in here since way earlier, and you could see it. I mean, played by the rules pretty nicely right here. It came to the right area. So today we're almost up at 1,000 again, dude. So if we get over 1,000, we'll see how it reacts, and then we'll go from there, right? Morning, everyone. Morning, bro. I can't believe that it is freaking Friday again, bro. These weeks just mesh into each other, dude. Oh, I'm only gonna be live for like an hour or so, and then I gotta go meet with my trainer. I'm starting to get back into training and stuff again, guys. I gotta lose this gut. So, um, yeah, I've been slacking ever since Memorial Day when I went on my vacation, dude. And honestly, I used to be so against having a trainer, but I think it's one of those control things, and I am kind of throwing in the towel and saying I need help. So, all right. Yeah, since Memorial Day, bro, I probably gained all the weight that I lost back. More so, yeah, dude. So, I've been focusing on the room a lot more, and my actual trading. When you're dieting and trading, it's really hard, dude, because your body's screaming for calories and those endorphins to eat and stuff, and so you make irrational decisions. So, all right. So that's my plan on Tesla, guys. On Amazon here, guys. You guys know I like playing Amazon on Fridays because we get some cheap premium, and then you could get some lottos here and make some decent money on Amazon. So with where it's at right now, this 2773, we could go up and test this 2800 again. It's definitely possible. So Al, good morning, brother. What up, guys? You guys on YouTube? I hope things aren't that delayed. So yeah, we're on YouTube today, brother. The link is in the YouTube channel in the room. And then also for all the guys, Flash, good morning, all the newer guys. Everything you type in the chat is I'm sure you guys have seen the way I do it on YouTube, is put on YouTube. So if you don't want anyone to know you have the clap, don't write it in the chat. Oh, I even made a poem out of it, bro. Bars. I'm working on it, dude. You know what? I would love to make some music, dude, to just mess around and make some music. I think it would be fun and a good stress reliever, bro. All right. So, like I said, I don't really have too much. JB was talking about JB was talking about DKNG over here, so I'm gonna pull that up. Give me a moment. Yeah, dude, this dip on DKNG is actually pretty nice. Let me pull it up over here. Um, Especially with more and more sports starting to open up. So this is what I'm looking at on DKNG is that we had this the support area right here around 34, 35, and we also have the Fibonacci line, and it held right here. So yesterday it held that area, and so if we get a little bit of pull away for it to come up, even from this for this to push from this 36 up to 42 to 44, that's still a nice trade. But if it breaks out and keeps on going, that would be an amazing trade. So uh, this is a really good trade idea by JB here in our room. So I like it. I'm actually taking a keeping an eye on Nikola too. This kind of so this reminded me. Um, so we had this compression here on Nikola, guys. On if we look at this here, so you see all these red dots, this compression going on in this chart, and then I want this to get going. There's a lot of resistance here at the 75 though, but if we break this 75, 76 area, we should get cooking pretty good here and start moving pretty quick. So again, that Alberto, good morning, brother. Andrew, yeah, I think I got everyone. Good morning, bro. Roku, Netflix, Roku, dude, is definitely on the watch, bro. So this is what we're seeing on Roku here, dude. Um, so we got this retracement here on Roku. This little back pull away off of this resistance. So you can see I have the line for the resistance here. Now on this pullback, it's also holding like around in the this level where it dipped down to right here in the past. So it's holding these same levels. So this 120 is going to be key. So this 120 to 122, if it could hold those areas, then you get another little push up here to 130, and then past. If it able to break that, then past that. So, but this is a nice little breather for Roku, and then for it to continue to go further. Obviously, market permitting and everything as well. Um, is anyone trading Zoom, dude? Oh my goodness, bro. Zoom, Square, and Spotify had just been like huge misses. Like I just been watching them, and there's no entry on them. Like it just sucks. But this thing is nuts, dude. I mean, from $60 um, in December to 260, bro. What is that? 100, 20, 80. It's like 300% or something up or something like that. Yeah, that 125 on Roku will be key. So, if you all are in here, if y'all are in here watching me on the YouTube, if you could go and share the stream, guys, share it with a friend on Twitter, with your grandma, your mama, your whoever. Get some more people in here, and we'll have a good time. The other one, Netflix, is what you said, Santiago. Space Case, dude. Space Case. Honestly, Netflix has been really strong the last few days, bro. So even on this dip right here, it had a nice recovery on this dip. So yeah, we're back up here towards this little level at 465. I'd see a pre-market. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go pretty good here at the open on Netflix. We'll get cooking here pretty good. So I'm actually gonna keep this up here to trade. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this right here. Say that I always do. This Nvidia too, guys, to break above this 380. This has just been steady chugging along. The thing is that a lot of these names are just way overextended and not really good setups. So that's something I've been focusing on this week is just like I said, nailing and belling, guys, just getting in, making my profit, getting out. If I got to take the trade, 2-3 times to get the full move, then cool. Then that's what I'll do to keep myself safe on it. And my consistency has been through the roof this week. So, good morning, guys. Morning, all you guys on YouTube. Gonna sit down, lower my desk 1 second. All right, cool. All right. Dane, what up? Good morning. Benitez, what up, brother? Hope you guys are up, wet, ready to kill it. Karen, what up? Good morning. I appreciate your kind comments on Twitter. Appreciate you being here, watching and hanging out. Oh, Ashton, I didn't see what you're doing. You're in the off-topic room. You saw who in Calgary? You saw Coldplay in Calgary? Am I putting the logo on the bike? Yeah, if you guys saw, didn't see, I bought a motorcycle. I think it was last weekend, right? Last Friday, guys. Or was it the Friday before that? Um, I'm telling you, I can't keep track of time. It's gonna get airbrushed, I think, dude. Or it's either gonna get airbrushed or it's gonna get repainted altogether because it's more like a gray, like a really dark gray than it is black. um, like in the sun. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think it's gonna get painted a darker black, and then the wheels are gonna get bronzed. They're gonna get powder coated bronze, and then the fairings and all the plastics are gonna get like copper, like a copper bronze airbrush on them with filigree, and then I might get the logo in there somewhere. I don't want it too conspicuous, but might get it on there, bro. Then I could write it off for my taxes for the room for my business and say it's for marketing. Cakeman, good morning. I don't know if I seen you, dude. Pedro, good morning, dude. I don't think I told you money. Good morning, bro. Which is better, Flow Algo or Black Box? That is the $1 million question there, Goku. $1 million question, bro. I think it just kind of depends on what kind of trader you are. To be 100% honest, I really like Black Box because of the customer service. I mean, I was on a Zoom call with ES last night, and he wanted to get a year membership, but I don't think I got like a discount code for the annual membership that they provide. So I called them, and they answered like on the second ring, and I mean their customer service is awesome. Um, they have more information as well. Like we could look at it real quick. Oh no, we got like 6 minutes. Yeah, we could look at it just real quick, dude. Let me see if I can get it pulled up. They have more information and there's more functionality to it than Flow Algo. Um, Flow Algo is a lot more user friendly. Like I would compare Blackbox um, and Flow Algo to the way that like iOS is to Android. So iOS is a lot more simplistic, a lot more user friendly, a lot easier to use, and then Blackbox has more information, more customability to it, things like that. I think that's a really good way to put it. But real quick here, oh, you're not going to be able to see it with the way that it records my screen, dude. So yeah. But anyways, like yeah, the thing I like about Blackbox is it shows the open interest and like they call it a heat map. So a heat map is almost, I don't know if you guys know Bookmap, but it shows where the open contracts order are according to price that have not been filled. And so that's a huge edge to know where there's people sitting there with those sweeps to get filled on the option chain. Then there's also the alerts. The alerts give a lot more alerts than Flowago does, like 52 weeks highs, all time highs, downgrades, upgrades, things like that. And the one of the biggest things that I like about Flowago is that it has the AI. So it has Tiffany. If you guys have heard me refer to for the voice that comes over Flowago as Tiffany, it I like that it reads off the flow and it makes different sounds. So then I don't even have to have it up on one of my monitors. I don't have to be looking at it. Uh, I could just be audibly hearing, listening for those sweeps coming through. So like if there's a repeat sweep on a certain ticker, then I could pull it up. I don't necessarily have to go looking for it like I do on Black Box. So it's it's hit and miss, dude, on both ends. If they would put those things into Black Box all the way, it's freaking awesome. They even have scanners on Blockbox and the charts and stuff. And then Blockbox is actually, for all the features that you get on it, with my code, it's $79 the first month or $70 the first month, and then 99 after that. So it's $50 cheaper than Flow Algo, and Flow Algo is 150 a month if you do the monthly plan. So there's the pricing aspect of it as well. So I hope that. Um, yeah, so I'm glad that analogy worked, dude. So my code in the description. Give me a minute, bro. I appreciate you asking for it and using it. Give me a second. Yeah, so we're about 2 minutes to the open, guys. I gotta set my timer for my 10 minutes after the bell. If you guys don't know, I wait 10 minutes after the bell to start taking positions. I lets the volatility settle down and then the trend develop, the sentiment develop within the tickers. And but yeah, everyone, let's have a great trading session here today. End the week strong. We're ending the month strong as well. And then everyone use your stop loss, mitigate your risk. Be patient for your setups there, guys. Be snipers and always be taking profit and paying yourself. Stay bunny bias. There you go, brother. I appreciate you. Dude, we get some music to put me in the feels today. Like I said, guys, I'm only gonna be here till at the very most probably 8:30 or so. I gotta go work out at like 9, and then for my members in the room, guys, I'll be gone for like an hour, and then I'll be back. I'll be back to hang out after that. Did is anyone interested in trading EKSO? This could actually get going pretty good here, Alberto. You guys, me serenading you for the open is free. You guys do not have to pay any extra for me singing to you. What's the plan in EKSO? I'm not really gonna actively trade it, dude. If I just see a setup, I will I will take it. But it's a small cap, bro. So my charts are slow as shit as normal here. $465. All right, so here on Netflix, guys, we have the Netflix trying to hold right here, guys. So I kind of like this to start pushing here. If we could get some umph, we need some volume to come in. Dude, what is up with his music today, bro? I might end up with another child support payment after today. I wonder where the other Richard is. Richard said he's not trading on Fridays no more. A lot of people have trouble trading on Fridays. A lot of newer traders. If that's you and you have trouble on Fridays, guys, there's no. It's not bad to take the day off. Trade to a smaller size if you're gonna trade. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad thing. I actually went through that for a while too, and Tuesdays were my best day. For whatever reason, Tuesdays were better for me. So here on Tesla, guys, I'm going to put Tesla right here in this middle one. We're here at this red to green line. And we would like to see the bounce right here. Oh, it already kind of did it, so. Baba with a sick wash here today, guys. I don't know what's going on there, but all right, looking at Netflix here, guys. Netflix. Oh, this is linked right here. I'm sorry. All right, so the SPY is trying to base out right here. All right, so right now I have Netflix here breaking on this dip from red to green. Need to get some momentum to keep on it, having it push. And then Amazon here as well. The blue line, no, the blue line is red to green. That's literally where the price closed the day prior, bro. Yeah, Chaser. What up, bro? Chaser's over here on Chaser's over here on YouTube. He's not even in the room. He's lurking. Yeah, the screen share is on YouTube. If you go in the YouTube channel, you'll see the YouTube in there, bro. I just messed up my Netflix trade. Dude, I had this Netflix trade. I got my Amazon and Netflix side freaking messed up, and dude, I I screwed it up so bad, bro. So the spies basing out right here, guys. I found some support on this little dip right here. So this is what we want to see here, especially on a Friday for us to help and go bullish. So we got this dip. Where's NFX? The hell did you guys do with NFX? Just realized NFX isn't here. No, I'm all thrown off. Anyways, right here on the SPY, guys, we got this dip and then this curl up. Bam. This is what you want to see here for that push. Ooh, that was a nasty spike right here on the SPY, guys. So we'll have to see here in this area. We keep making these higher lows here in this area. You want to see if we could just keep on walking this up. Ooh, dude, Alberto, I definitely know the feeling, bro. I'm up, so right now my P&L, guys, I'm up like 1,300 or something like that. 1425. Like I said, on Netflix, dude, I messed up, like, and I have my other monitor right here, and I have Amazon on this side, and then Netflix on this side, and I was trying to, I think I actually, yeah, I was trying to cover some of my Amazon, and I got out of Netflix, and that's okay. This is a nice sell-off right here, though. I'm missing this little move down. Save my ass, dude, cutting those off. So we could be patient now. We could be patient here in this area and wait for the bounce on it. So see if we get a bounce and continue further up. Just wait. So I'm watching Tesla right here, guys. Broke red right here. So if it comes back in a test to try to test green and it doesn't go above, I'll go ahead and enter right here towards this 985 area. SPY's trying to break this 305.20 area. So I got in on that little pump here on Tesla, this little push. I'll cover on this wash. Not right. So yeah, I'm in Tesla right now, dude. VXRT. Welcome every guy. All you newer guys I see in here. Welcome, guys. What's Black Box? Black Box is it's like trading on steroids almost. Um, Black Box lets you know where the smart and big money is placing trades. They're able to place trades on the as the dark pools or option sweeps, things like that, and we're able to see them using Black Box or Flow Algo. Dude, these charts are worthless, bro. Yeah, so I still have Flow Algo, dude. I just haven't turned it on, dude. So um I kind of like I kind of have like a deal with Black Box, but I don't know, dude. I gotta figure it out on what I, because I really and so I'm telling them in Black Box if they could, because there's a company, right? There's a company that you could pay for the AI stuff, and basically all you do is code in their API into your your software, and it does it. Like, you know what I mean? It's not that hard. And so I've told them, I'm like, yo, can we please get an AI? Tutorials on Black Box? Not really, brother. If you want to wait here until the everything kind of dies down right now, trading, we could go through it if you want to. I could do like a little tour on it right now, a little bit. Yeah, do you see that, dude? There's even gaps in the Netflix fucking candles, dude. Unless you mean it. Yeah, I was all over here super excited about Netflix, dude, and it's shitty. Kind of squeezing cheeks here on Tesla, guys. So I'm um, kind of holding this line right here, and it's could start going bullish on me. But this is a nice bear flag, so trying to wait, see if we get this washed down. If the SPY would wash, we'd get it. My position in Tesla right now, I have puts 995, 985 puts, brother. I appreciate all the engagement, guys. If you guys leave me a comment, like, subscribe, I appreciate having all the new people watching, guys. This is really, dude, it's humbling, and I appreciate it a lot because I used to do this just for my. Seemed like I would do it for no one. There we go. Now we're getting that break here in Tesla. Bam. 980 would be a nice profit target here on ooh, wait, I'm changing this screen. Dude, these charts fucking suck, dude. Yeah, 980. All right, all covered up right there on Tesla, guys. So that was another quick like $7 right there. So just a quick $7 just wash right there. And it may keep on going here to 975, but like I said, I'm not playing any games, dude. My whole goal is to be more consistent. Just nailing and bailing, guys. Like I'm not. I was getting myself into some huge trouble. I don't know if you guys saw last week or the week before. I took a $30,000 loss. Just being overly patient, letting things try to work, and um, whenever I play like this though, like whenever I just do these, I wouldn't necessarily say they're scalps. Like they're bigger than scalps, I would say. But whenever I trade like I normally do, dude, my consistency is through the roof. So I think I'm at 100% today so far. Yeah, 100% day so far. I'm at $2,350, and that'll probably be it for the day unless I see something else like absolutely just tickle my pickle here. So if you guys have questions or you want me to go over and cover anything on this here, guys, let's go over it here because I'm kind of winding down my actual trades. So if you want me to explain my thought process on where I took my trades, then absolutely happy to do that too. Do you want to go over black box and Anmal? Are you still in here, bro? We could go over black box real quick too. Honestly, the setup on Netflix for the downside was really nice, bro. I wasted that emotional capital fucking up that trade. Yeah. So this right here, dude. It's 87. So let me show you this, bro. Now this wasn't necessarily ideal the way that it usually happens, but let's go over this. Dude, and Tesla's just still freaking going. All right, so this little, I don't know what you'd call it, magenta fuchsia line right here. This is your VWAP, right? So volume weighted action price. Um, yeah, Andrew, I really actually like Amazon that the way that it's holding. Everything else sold below going red. Amazon actually held it really well, dude. So I do like that. And here in the next few minutes, we may, if it still keeps on going, it may start compressing. There's a pivot line at 270, 27.75.54, bro. So just be aware of that, of the pivot line there. Um, and then after that, you're free. After that, you got 27.80, bro. Yeah, dude, squeezing cheeks. Yeah, so let me go over this trade real quick, Admiral, and then we'll go over some black box. All right, dude. So here on Tesla, Dane, this this magenta fuchsia line is your VWAP, right? So whenever you get like this drop down and it drops below this VWAP here, so it kind of opened at the same level that it did here today. I have it as a label, so like yeah, I usually don't keep the VWAP as imprinted on the chart. It slows down the charts, having it something another thing that's on there, and then I'm able to look at it as just like as a label here. So what I was looking at is that we got this, whenever you have a significant line of support or resistance and you break it. So we broke this pretty easy, dude, on this candle. Like it didn't stop right here. We get another candle and then another candle and then it finally break. You know what I mean? Like there was some people in here that slammed it below this level, right? So whenever you break a significant line of resistance or support, you have to let it break it, dude, and then come back and test it. So when it comes back and tests, then you could go ahead and start getting into the trade in that area for the rest of the fade down. When it tries to pop up, right? So we have this pop right here, and when it tries to pop up and it doesn't have the volume to keep on going like it did before, you know that there's not enough bulls or not enough buying interest in order for it to keep on going further. So that leaves you relatively safe. Now, the area of interest that a lot of people are looking at as well is that VWAP. So as long as it stays below that VWAP, then you're gonna stay pretty good on that level. If you start breaking above that VWAP and you start getting up to around the same level of these highs, then you're gonna leave it alone. You're not gonna take that trade. That's a no trade. Whenever it pops up like this, and then you see where it's like flat top right here. Oh, that was ugly. So flat top like right here, bro. So you know that there's people sitting there waiting for you to actually those sellers are sitting there to when the price action gets there to slam it back down. There's no spike or anything like that where they're able to overpower them or anything like that. It's just hard ass resistance. So that gives you a second point of confluence and confidence to be able to take the trade. Then so then you get in your trade, bro. The only thing that I didn't like is having the Fibonacci line right here. You see how the Fib line acted as a really good support in this area. So it acted as a really good support, and that was where I was like, okay, like we need to break that in order for it to go. And then I just covered into this into the rest of this wash here on this downside. But the whole thesis for my trade here was three parts. So you have this downtick below the significant support, right? The bounce, there wasn't enough volume in order for it to keep on going, right? The volume for the selling was bigger than the buying right here in this area. So there wasn't enough interest to keep it going. We have the actual bull flag pattern, bear flag pattern. So we know that's bullish, where you get that continuation to the downside, and then also that VWAP that we're talking about too. So that it stayed under that VWAP. Does that make sense? And then now, dude, we're basing really good here at this 980. Like I was saying, this 980 right here. If we start compressing at this 980, bro, this is also where we talked about yesterday in the same area, right? That it was having some resistance. And is it coincidence that it came back down to the same exact area, bro, that we were trading at yesterday? No, dude, it just does it over and over again, bro. So if it builds some support here at this 980 to 976 area and starts compressing down sideways, this is going to be a good compression trade for it to go up. The SPY is compressing right now too, in order for it to go up too. So that'll be that'll help you go out if it starts breaking up to the upside as well. And this is what we're looking at here on the SPY. So this compression here to the side, we have the TTM cross, and then we're going to get this breakout here in a second, probably We'll probably get back up here to 305.80, 306. I'm actually going to take this trade. $305. All right, so watch right here. This, there we go. We're starting to get there. So we got to get over this fib line right here at 305.40 or so, and we should get going pretty good. We got this support resistance right here. All right, let's go over some black box, dude. Just babysitting this trade here real quick, bro. Just, I need to get out of this little zone right here in this trade, and we'll go over it, dude. I'm just kind of watching. So you can see all this buying pressure right here in this area on the SPY, guys. So we want to see to hold it, but and I'm out there. That was a stop, so fuck. It probably is, dude. It's just trading such light volume, bro. So we'll get back down to 302 here on the SPY, guys. So So one thing I do want to point out real quick here on Tesla before I go into this black box stop, you see where this popped up to the same level where they acted as support. So this is your support, acted as resistance then, and then now we're getting that continuation down. I was looking at getting in right here, I missed, dude. So totally fine. I lost 500 on this this little dip here on the SPY, guys. So that's okay. No setup, no pattern that you play is going to be 100%. And this is just one of those times where it didn't work out. So cut it, took my stop. I'm perfectly fine with it. So all right, let's get into some black box, bro. I got like 20 minutes and then I got to get dressed and ready here to go. All right, so you guys should be able to see my black box now, right? So you guys, especially on, so you guys on YouTube, so this is the way that the platform looks like on black box. It's a lot different than flow algo, guys. There's a lot more going on. So on this, when you originally open it up, you're gonna have it under the Nasdaq and then the New York Stock Exchange area right here. There's a chat, so they have like their own chat like type room right here. There's moderators that I guess are sanctioned through Blackbox to give their calls and things like that. I asked for support here the other day and I got like a stupid answer. So I told them to go fuck off. Like, dude, there's no reason to be rude and when you're asking a question, bro. I hate people that are rude when you ask a fucking question. Anyways, so you have, you know, the overall sentiment here, the overall for the market. So Dow Jones, the Qs for the Nasdaq, and then you could go into options here. Or let's finish this part. So you have alerts here on this side. Here, guys, and I don't know why this isn't loading here, but you get like you get like this little I don't know, indicator thing here where it kind of just shows the volatility in it, the change, last bid price. You get a chart. There's news. So this is where I was telling you about the news. There's a news feed in here. I think it's through Benzinga. I'm not 100% sure. And then right here is so top 10 gainers. So there's a scanner that's included in it that, you know, it's their own proprietary settings and things like that. You can't necessarily change it. I do not believe. There's yesterday's top 10 gainers that you could look at as well. You could do, so you do research here, Yahoo, NASDAQ, OTC markets, brokerages that they are affiliated with, that they probably earn a commission with or what have you. You have also like change percentage wise that you could look up. So INO obviously really popular today. There's the so right here you could change this bar to the this like little widget here to the right. You could change this here to the alert stream, and this gives you like those, like I was talking about, the 52-week highs, the dark pools, things like that. So this is just for Apple. You could do it for all the symbols as well, and then it goes through. One thing that does kind of suck about like Flowago and Blackbox is that they're both web based. So whenever you click on something, there is like probably and this is super like first world problems. There's like a 1 second delay on it. So I just hate that it's not fast, dude. Like, you know what I mean? I don't mind downloading shit onto my computer and if it's going to be fast. But you can see these alerts that are coming in. So intraday share volume above average here. You could also have it like I believe you could have it filter. So like yeah, right here you filter it if you only wanted to show certain things. So dark pulls, 52-week highs, stock price spike, stock halts, things like that. So this is pretty cool to have. That flow algo does not have. The right here to the in the middle. So this is your options. When you click on the options, these are your option sweeps, and you can filter this down a lot more tailored to what you want to see and stuff as well. If you only want to see certain sectors, ones above 100 contracts, so sweeps above 100 contracts, over 500 contracts weekly, things like that. So you could really filter it down pretty nice. So Flow Algo allows you to filter as well. I don't know if it gives you as many like ways to do it. VXRT, let me look at it real quick here, Berto. Man, what a nice little sell-off here today. We'll get back to that 302 here in a second on the SPY, guys. VXRT, dude, that just broke out, bro. That was a nasty wash. I hope you weren't in that. So yeah, so here's your options right here, dude. So it'll tell the type, so block, sweep. They have their own proprietary formula, so like the magenta ones mean something different. I haven't gone really into that. So the magenta ones are like a certain type of order, and then the yellow ones. So if you go back into the yellow ones, there's something different as well in significance. This is that heat map that I was telling you that they have that I really like. So you have this. If it will freaking load. Oh, I gotta put a ticker in, so it has to be a. Let's do Tesla. So here on Tesla, so these are the option contracts that are sitting there according to price. And this is a huge edge right here to be able to see all this information here, guys. It's almost like Bookmap for options, so it's really freaking cool. Then let's go back. So you have open interest as well. I don't know why it's not giving anything. Volume. So volume of for the different contracts that what would you call it, filtered. So filtered by volume, the alerts on here, the flow, and then historical. On this side, like I said, you could have pre-market scan. You could have, so pre-market scan here is your pre-market scanner. You have a post-market scanner. You have market scan, so volume ratio, so if puts to call ratio, news, if you wanted to just see news, for the actual ticker, and then obviously that chat that we were talking about, and then kind of interesting that they have like a little feed here for stock twits as well. So the dark pool activity on Black Box. So you go right here into the NASD NYSE, and then you'll go over here to alert stream. And you'll see it here to the side. There's not right here. So HYG just had 160,000 share dark block for 13 million. So you'll see it right there to that right hand side, bro. Dude, I would say that's a huge improvement, Alberto. doing a quick scan and seeing how everything real quick out since I was paying attention to the black box. But yeah, I wasn't expecting a red day today, guys. But this is what we talk about when we trade about staying money buys, guys. Because I was pretty I was pretty bullish to see like usually Fridays are pretty bullish, but not getting over stuck on your bias, because if you get stuck on your bias, dude, that's when you make mistakes. You get stubborn, you overhold, it's just a bad time. So so yeah. If you were short on VXRT though, bro, this is a payday right here if you're short on VXRT, bro. Acting as a defense, thinking about shorting with puts. XLU. I don't know what you mean, G. Is XLU like an inverse of the SPY? Oh yeah, fuck yeah, dude. Honestly, this is a good trade, bro. No, you're not weird at all, dude. You just trade a different you trade different tickers than what I do. Um, Dude, you're calling XLU yesterday or the other day at 54, 55, bro. This is a nice bounce right here. Good, dude. Good, brother. So no, there's so dark pools are equity lots, Anmol. So orders on the dark pool are always equity lots. Sweeps are option contracts. Sweeps and blocks are option contracts on the other end. So the thing about the dark pool orders is that there has to be a buyer for a seller. So you don't know if it was initiated by a seller or if it was initiated by a buyer, if that makes sense. For the transaction to take place, there has to be a buyer and a seller, if that makes sense. So you don't know which way it's going. You just know that it's on there. That's another cool thing about Flow Algo too, is that Flow Algo with the it colorizes that. So like they have some type of algorithm to show like if it is leaning more bullish or bearish as far as the equity lots. Now for me, I don't like using the dark pool orders, guys, for the I don't like using the dark pool orders for trading because you don't have to report dark pool orders until like 72 hours later. So usually whenever you're seeing the dark pool orders, they were from like the day before or something like that. So what I pay attention more to is the actual contract sweeps. Those are real time. Those are real time where the actual algorithm through the software is catching those orders being placed through, if that makes sense. NFX. I almost about damn had a heart attack earlier. I was like, dude, what happened to NFX? Like I was in a trade and I was even like dumbstruck. Like I didn't know what to do. Like I was like, the heck? People, you're selling your house? Cool. Any other questions for Black Box here, guys? Oh, we didn't really go over this part right here where the most active little area right here. So Amazon's most active right now. And then most active puts, bullish flow, and bearish flow. So All right, I'm gonna take the black box off, guys. There we go. Oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, so I have like a deal with Black Box as well, guys. Like the more members I get to sign up, the bigger the discount we get, obviously. So the more people that sign up, the more discount you get as a member being in the room. So if you're looking at joining us and stuff, if you guys weren't here at the very beginning, also as well, the $150 for the year, I'm going to be taking it off probably at the end of today. So if you guys are here today, you're hearing me, you're hearing this, you're hearing it in the replay. Take advantage because it's never going to be the same, dude. It's never going to go back. Like I said, I feel like and maybe you guys that are our members, you guys could emphasize and reiterate how much value I do present, but I feel like if I'm giving it, if there's not a barrier for the information you receive, then there's no value to it. You don't value it as much as what I'm trying to say. So if you have more skin in the game, you're going to value the information that you're going to receive. So, and we're only getting better, dude. I'm only getting fucking better, dude. So here on the SPY, guys, I have my resistance line already right here. I bet someone $50 it bounces straight up off of this line. And I said it was going to get there since like 306 or whatever. Yeah, I have a Discord room, bro. So I have a Discord room that we're in. Like I said, it's $150 right now. It's going to go up to about 500 for the year. And then I have the course that's going to be coming out here soon as well. I've been working my ass off, guys. I was up till like 1 a.m. last night. So I wait until Matt comes and tells me good morning, and then I go to bed. Once I see Pedro waking up and liking my Instagram posts, I'm like, oh, it's time to go to bed. But yeah, I'll put the link to my room right here, bro. If you give me a second. And we have a bunch of other discounts too. Like I still have the discounts to Flow Algo if you want the discount to Flow Algo. We have the discounts to Trader Sync. What else do we have, guys? We have a bunch of stuff. We have the library of indicators that we have. We have boom. Look at this, Joe. That was pretty. We were a couple cents off, but very pretty. Tesla next resistance level. No trial, dude. There's not a trial or anything, bro. Honestly, bro, for $150, bro, like if you don't get value out of my room for $150, bro, I'll give you your money back, dude. But I believe I gave you some really good value for free today. But like I said, people don't value free and cheap, dude. So I want you to value the information that I'm giving you and be able to put it to work. Yeah, dude. Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, it's a no-brainer, to be honest, dude. Dane on so right here, actually, brother, right here at this 970, this is gonna be it right here at this fib line. on Tesla. So you see how I came to the fib line right here. So we should hold around in that area, dude, especially with the SPY being at 302. I don't believe, unless the world starts burning on fire here, I don't believe we'll go any further than that here today. But, you know, wilder things have happened. But this will be probably the bottom-ish on Tesla today. Yeah, no worries, brother. Admiral. All right, guys, gonna start wrapping up. I gotta go get ready to go work out. Dude, my trainer is she's hot, bro. So pretty motivated to go work out now. Yeah, I should have, honestly, I was over here bumping my gums, dude, and I should have put a buy order right here at this 302. Just a quick couple $100 on this bounce I would have made. So that's what I get for bumping my gums, dude. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start taking off here on the YouTubes. Really good trading day, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in. It's really nice having you guys every Friday. Like I said, we do this for free. If you guys don't want to sign up for a membership, just come chill, come hang out, ask your questions that you get, you know, write them down throughout the week, and then we could answer them on Friday. On Sunday, we have the Stockcast. I am solo cholo on Sunday. I don't have a guest. I've been so busy with everything else. So this week I worked on merchandise. So the merchandise is coming. I get samples tomorrow. I have my meeting tomorrow for the merchandise, and then I'll be uploading it on the site next week. So we're going to have some pretty nice New Age Wall Street merchandise. Super pumped about. I've been working on the course. That is way overdue, guys. That's my priority right now. And then I also have the new part of the website. So not just the membership part, but the other part where it's going to have like news and articles and like an encyclopedia. I'm working on that, but it's a lot. It's a lot of work. I'm just one person. So keen, yes, NFX. Which part are you keen to? Oh yeah, dude, I'm super pumped about the merch, bro. So I think the merch is I'm really I won't say a perfectionist, but I like nice fitting clothes and I like nice looking shit. So it's gonna be pretty nice. So I want it to be where it's like its own kind of brand thing where you don't have to be a member of the room to rock it and be like, oh, that's whatever. So, but those are my three things I've been working on the most, guys, and that'll be coming out like this next week. Like I said, my reason for explaining that is that I do not have a guest on the Stockcast this weekend. So bring your questions. We'll do Q&A. We'll make a watch list for the week. We should have a pretty, depending on the way that we close today, we should have a pretty wild week next week. So there's that. Appreciate you guys leaving all the love, the likes, comments, subscribe, everything. And I think that's all my announcements that I have, guys. I put a thing the other day where I said if someone wants to trade with me live on Fridays, I think that's a good idea. So if every once in a while, maybe every other week or once a month or something, I bring on just someone random to trade with, have them share their screen, and I could walk through their trades with them. I think that would be pretty cool. I don't think anyone else does anything like that. So awesome, guys. Gonna go run. I'm running late now. You guys have a great weekend. All right. We'll see you Sunday for the Stockcast. Make sure you guys stay money biased. All right.